Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy italki for personalized language lessons, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the italki website at www.italki.com. Create an account if you don't already have one. Select your preferred language and click on Sign Up. Fill in your details, including your email and password, then confirm your account. Once logged in, explore the home page to familiarize yourself with the platform. Click on the Find a Teacher button located at the top of the page. Use the filter options to narrow down your search based on your preferred language, availability. Review the profiles of various teachers, paying attention to their qualifications, student reviews, and lesson prices. Select a teacher that matches your preferences by clicking on their profile. Take note of their available time slots for lessons. Click on the Book a Lesson button. Choose the lesson type, whether it be a trial lesson or a standard session. Select the date and time that works best for you from the teacher's availability. Proceed to confirm your booking. Complete your payment through the secure payment options provided. Once your lesson is booked, check your account dashboard for upcoming lessons. Prepare for your lesson by reviewing any materials the teacher has provided. Join the lesson at the scheduled time using the link provided in your account. During the lesson, engage actively with your teacher for the best experience. After the lesson, leave feedback and a rating for your teacher to help future students. Consider scheduling future lessons based on your learning needs and progress. Repeat this process to continue personalizing your language learning experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.